Hi everybody, Dr. Tony Harrison with Incredible Health again. We have a new offering at the clinic that I'm really excited about. You may have heard talk recently about fasting. It seems to be coming into vogue. There's a lot of different types of fasting. You wouldn't think people could get that creative with just not eating, but there are a lot of different ways to go about it. If you have Amazon Prime, there is a documentary called Fasting that is well worth your time. If you want to watch that, take a look at it. I really enjoyed it. Intermittent fasting is an excellent way of decreasing your body's set point for how much you should weigh. We all know that, at holidays, we pack on 5 to 10 pounds, and then by February, we're back to our normal weight. Or you go on a diet, you lose weight, and then within a couple months, you're back to your normal weight. So how do you change what your body thinks your normal weight should be? And intermittent fasting is one way to do that. There's a lot of really strong research behind it. So this book, The Longevity Diet by Walter Longo, PhD, I've seen him lecture, I've read through his book, and we're going to make this available on Amazon if you'd like to purchase it. A lot of great research in here. This is not my copy, this is a clean copy. My copy is all highlighted and marked up, so this is the clean copy, but this is a great book. The ProLon, which is the new offering in the clinic, is based on his work. So if you don't want to read the book and you just want the easy, convenient way to go about it, ProLon is everything together in one box. So let me show you what we've got. It comes in this kit. It's called ProLon. And what we're going to unpack the box for you today. So in the box, there's 3 pieces of paper. This has all the nutritional information on it for all of the products that are in the box. This is your instruction handbook. It's pretty straightforward. There's not a lot of instructions or difficulty with this. Really straightforward. So it's a tri-fold, front and back. There are some restrictions for doing the kit. Those restrictions would be if you're diabetic, you need to really keep a close eye on your blood sugars and cut back on your blood glucose lowering medications. So that's definitely an area of high scrutiny. If you are very low in weight, too skinny, this is not the program for you. If you are on chemo, you definitely would want to consider doing this under a physician's direction. There is some evidence that going through chemo while fasting, you can get better results, but you're in a very fragile state of health, so you definitely want to have some physician leadership while you're going through ProLon if you are currently a cancer patient. So on this page here, it tells you who this program is not designed for. And then you have a cheater card, that just has the bullet points. So it's a reference card that you can keep with you so you know what you need to do when. There is a mixer bottle that comes in the box. Beyond that, everything is broken down into your days. This is a 5-day program, which is awesome because 5 days gives you that light at the end of the tunnel. It's only 5 days. You can do this. So this is box 1 of the ProLon. Everything that you're going to eat for the day is in this box. And so there's box 2 through 5. So everything is nicely assembled. This is exactly what you're doing. This is exactly what you're having. So it's just so straightforward and easy, which I'm really enjoying that. Everything that you need to consume on day 1 is here in the box. You don't have to do it in exactly the order that they prescribe it, but if you do, it's all right here on your your reference card. I suppose I shouldn't call it a cheater card. It's a reference card. So breakfast, tea, the L-bar, and the algal oil. It's a oil capsule that comes from the from algae, similar to a fish oil capsule. So we have a minestrone blend. This may not be microwaved. What I'm planning on doing at the hospital is using the hot water and mixing that up and seeing if I get a good result, because I don't have access to a stovetop at the hospital. If that doesn't work, then I'll prepare it at home and then just take it with me. But I'm going to try just using hot water. Several times they comment that this may not be microwaved, so I'm going to see what I can do with just the hot water. So there's a minestrone soup. There is a tomato blend soup. And then there are olives. Here's the algal oil. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Not exactly sure. But I've got 2 packets of those. And then I have an NR1 packet. These are all your vitamins and minerals to help you get through the program and support your biochemistry in your liver. Spearmint tea, spearmint lemon tea, and then a spearmint tea. I have kale chips. And then there are 3 bars. There are 2 L bars. And then there is an L bar that they call a Choco Crisp bar. And I think this is supposed to function as your dessert or sweet treat in the day. I have not tried any of these products yet. We're going to give you reviews on these products. Truthfully, I know people are concerned about taste and how does it work out, and we will give that to you, but truthfully I have to tell you that even if it tastes horribly, I don't care. It's only 5 days. I can get through anything in 5 days. So that's what is in day 1. And you have to remember, this is a fasting mimicking diet. I am not expecting to get a nice full Thanksgiving sensation from this. I expect to be fasting, but considering the support that ProLon is offering me, I don't think it will be excruciating. I think it's going to be tolerable. I don't expect these products to, taste like a buffet meal at some exotic restaurant. I expect them to taste like medical foods. It's only 5 days. I can get through this. And hopefully I'm pleasantly surprised. So day 2, moving on to day 2, we have a mushroom soup blend, a minestrone quinoa blend, the NR1, but we only have 1 packet of that now instead of the 2. I have 2 packets of olives. One is with sea salt and 1 is with garlic. So 2 packets of olives, slightly different in flavor. I have the spearmint lemon tea, spearmint tea, a hibiscus tea, 2 hibiscus teas, and the Cocoa Crisp bar again. I have 1 L bar instead of the 2. The big difference that starts in day 2 is this L drink. So the L drink, the bottle is measured to your weight. So let's say you're 160 pounds, you would pour that quantity up to this mark that says 160 pounds into this bottle and then dilute it with water or herbal tea. And then drink on this throughout the day. So and then you're supposed to discard the rest of this. So that's what this is used for. This is the L drink. So that is everything that is in day 2. Now, moving on to day 3, I believe it's going to be very similar. We have the L drink again. This time it's flavored differently. This time it's tropical berry. I have the minestrone blend and the tomato soup blend, similar to the first day. One of the NR1, the spearmint tea, the spearmint lemon tea, the hibiscus tea, 2 of the hibiscus, the L bar, and the kale chips are back. And so you can see that that's how it goes. And day 4 and day 5 are similar. Day 6 is a transition day where you can start to eat some normal soups and salads and lightly move back into a regular diet. If you have a lot of health problems or a lot of weight to lose, you may want to do this plan once a month and then start spacing it out to once every 2 months, once every 3 months. Probably a good idea to do this once every 6 months, so twice a year. And again, it's only 5 days. You can get through anything in 5 days. This retails for $250, which I know seems like a big price tag, but you have to remember this is all of your meals for 5 days and all of the research that's behind that. I have read reports where people are losing substantial amounts of weight, 15, 18, 20 pounds on this plan. The more exciting part for me is the autophagy, which means that your body is tearing down the old damaged cells, and your stem cells are being activated to create new healthy cells, which helps in a lot of different health situations. And I don't want to get into all of that right now. I will bring that to you later, but I did want to unpack a box for you and demonstrate what exactly is in the kit, and that kit contains everything that you're going to eat over the next 5 days. And we've got it available now in the clinic, and we will also be able to provide our provider code for you so that you can have online access and have it shipped to your house. So I hope that's helpful. We're really excited about this product being in our clinic now, and I hope you're excited too. Send me your results. I can't wait to see, and I can't wait to have my own results. I'm going to start it today. So talk to you later. Bye.
It was really